Introduction to Email Marketing, the basics you need to know. In this video, we'll cover what email marketing is, why it's important, and how it works. Email marketing is the practice of sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. These messages could include promotional content, newsletters, or even transactional emails like order confirmations. Email marketing is an important aspect of digital marketing because it allows businesses to reach their customers and potential customers directly in their inbox. Email marketing also offers a high return on investment, ROI, compared to other marketing channels. According to a study by the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent. So how does email marketing work? First, you need to build an email list of people who have opted in to receive emails from your business. This could include subscribers to your blog, customers who have made a purchase, or people who have signed up for your newsletter. Once you have an email list, you can start sending emails to your subscribers. These emails should be personalized and relevant to your audience, and could include promotions, updates, or educational content. It's important to remember that email marketing should always be permission-based, meaning that you should only send emails to people who have given you permission to do so. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to reach their audience and drive results. By building an email list, personalizing your emails, and providing value to your subscribers, you can create an effective email marketing strategy that helps you achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.